That's right, my YouTube fam. Inside of this box right here is one of those little hidden gems that just got away and can make you just feel a little bit better. Guys, we ain't got time to waste. Roll my intro and let's get to it. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. Guys, I've been getting some good feedbacks with the intro. You like that? Yes. Anyways, guys, we ain't got time to waste. Let's get immediately to it. I'm going to show you the box right here. Why? Let's be realistic. There ain't nothing much here to talk about, guys. It's just another regular Nike. What the hell is this over here? I just saw a sticker over here. I gotta be careful with this sticker right here. This is the sticker that the crazies can get their hands on. You know what I'm saying? We're going to the back now. Yes, right there, guys. Nothing out of this world. Regular box. What's inside is what the actual gem is. Let's get to it immediately. Oh, yes. Check it out. The Nike Air Max Correlates, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, of course. This colorway right here for the Dolphin fans. Woo-wee. Was them boys round your way. Big shout out to Pitbull and thank you for finishing that off for me. But when I'm talking about this is an actual hidden gem, guys, this is a real hidden gem. Un diamante in the rough. Let's call it like that. A diamond in the rough, guys. Yes. From the materials to the silhouette to everything. It's a beautiful sneaker all the way around. Let's get to it, guys. And you already know how I start this. The materials and the toe box. Starting off in the toe box. Mesh. 100% great quality. No lie about it. The quality is upper echelonish, if that's even a word. I don't even understand what the hell I just said. Very good quality. Right on top of the toe box, you see in the gray area, you see the little dot swoosh, nicely and perfectly sewn. And in front of the toe box, you see that nice nubuck jet black. I'm talking about jet black that it can't get any more jet black. Be looking like one of those stealth cars. You guys seen that stealth black? Yes, it's like that. Now going to the upper of the shoe, you see all that gray. That gray, guys, is actual nubuck. Also, the tongue is the exact same mesh as the toe box. And all the way in the top, you see the Nike Air logo nicely sewn on in that aquamarine type of color. I had to add it. I had to add the aquamarine. Now I'm a damn color expert over here. Right there where the lace holes are right in the sides, it is actually in plastic in orange. Guys, very beautiful. Going to the side of the sneaker, you see the same mesh right under the actual swoosh. That the swoosh actually goes into the nubuck, into the gray nubuck. The mesh, identically the same as the rest of the whole shoe, guys. We'll just get that out of the way. The mesh is high quality all the way through. It doesn't change. The swoosh is in that jet black nubuck as well. All the way in the back of the shoe, the nubuck surrounding the hard plastic embossed Nike Air logo. Then you see the nice little lines. Very nice, guys. I love that nice little look right there. You know, I don't even know why I keep saying nice. It's just nice. It's nice. And the Nike Air logo is in orange. Now going into the midsole, it's my favorite part of the whole shoe. No lie, guys. You see that nice teal right there, right under it in white. And when it goes to the air bubble, it has this pattern embossed into it that looks a little rough texture, like a little nice rough texture. The air bubble really big, and the back, the actual midsole in the back, it's smooth. It's a smooth rubber, while the ones around the side is actually textured. Now going to the sole of the sneaker, very similar to the Nike Air Max 1, but in my case, I don't know why, I just like this midsole a lot more. I like what the toe box has, that nice little patterns right there. I like the pucks, just like the Air Max 1. The logo right in the middle, but I like how those colors, I like the teal, the aquamarine, goes into the middle of the actual shoe, separated where the black and the lines go into the teal and the black. And last but not least, the actual insole just has the swoosh in it, and it's all white, guys. Why am I going to show you an actual image of that? No big deal. Now, let's talk about sizing and comfortability. When it comes to this shoe, guys, I went half a size up. It's a bit snug, guys. I actually went half a size up, especially on this one. This one is a woman's sizing exclusive. Make sure that you get the right sizing. It doesn't tell you if it was equivalent to men's. I have no idea. The box doesn't say it. I'm going to show it to you right now. As a matter of fact, you see it right there. It does not tell you men's sizing. It just doesn't, guys. It's just 11 and a half women's, and that's it. That's where it's at. That's all you're going to get. Take it or like it. Bruh. But besides the sizing, the shoe is incredibly comfortable. To me, it's actually a bit more comfortable than the Air Max 1. For the simple fact, guys, that this shoe looks very similar to the Air Max 1 and competes against the Air Max 1. So I personally think that this one is a lot more comfortable. Not just a little more comfortable, it's a lot more comfortable. It's more walking, jogging. You can walk theme parks. You can do everything with this. Go to the park with your kids or just by yourself, and you know, you're just taking a selfie that I personally call a lonely. But now it's called a selfie, as you guys can see right there on the screen. Very nice all the way through. I could wear this with a lot of different gear that it has to do at least with my hometown team, the Miami Dolphins. I could probably slide off a little hurricane action. Not really. You know what? I'm not even gonna lie. That is not gonna happen. This colorway per se is gonna have to stick to the Dolphins. It's just what it is, guys. Or any team that has teal or a little bit of orange. But very, very nice. And I just can't complain about it. So guys, yes, another Nike gem that went under the radar, and you could get it for a great price. Check out. You know what? Like, I just don't give a damn. You see, that's the problem with taking so long sometimes with actually reviewing shoes. I bought these shoes, guys, for $55. Yes, I did. And while I'm editing right now, I thought that they were gonna be maybe max $80. So I'm just gonna show you the rest of the video and just laugh at it. I'll be honest with you guys. So the hidden gem is a little expensive right now. Sorry, too bad. Got the price right there, guys. Yes, take advantage of these gems. This is what you really need in your life. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Echo Eddie.